Today, we're going to learn 8 new English words with examples and interactive exercises. Grab a notebook and let's go.
Word 1. Delicious. Delicious. Repeat after me. Delicious. All right. Meaning, very tasty. Here are some examples that can help you understand even more. This cake is delicious. The chocolate mousse was absolutely delicious. Synonyms. Can you complete these sentences with 2 other synonyms of delicious? Put your synonyms in the comment. Great job! This pizza is so tasty. The chocolate cake was absolutely scrumptious. Amazing! The 2 synonyms are tasty and scrumptious. Word 2. Comfortable. Comfortable. Repeat after me. Comfortable. All right. Meaning, feeling relaxed and at ease. Here are some examples that can help you understand even more. This chair is very comfortable. I feel comfortable in my new shoes. Synonyms. Can you complete these sentences with 2 other synonyms of comfortable? Excellent. This chair is very cozy. I feel relaxed in my new shoes. All right, the 2 synonyms are cozy and relaxed. Word 3. Careful. Careful. Repeat after me. Careful. All right, meaning, aware and cautious to avoid harm. Here are some examples that can help you understand even more. Be careful when crossing the street. Be careful when using sharp tools. Synonyms. Can you complete these sentences with another 2 synonyms of careful? Amazing! Be cautious when driving in rain. She was attentive while handling the fragile vase. Good! The 2 synonyms are cautious and attentive. Word 4. Polite. Polite. Repeat after me. Polite. All right. Meaning, respectful and considerate towards others. Here are some examples that can help you understand even more. He held the door open to be polite. He is polite to his mother. Synonyms. Can you complete these sentences with another synonyms of polite? Excellent. She is always respectful to her elders. He was courteous to the guests. Great work. The 2 synonyms are respectful and courteous. Let's see the next word. Word 5. Boring. Boring. Repeat after me. Boring. All right. Meaning, not interesting or dull. Here are some examples that can help you to get it even more. This movie is so boring. I almost fell asleep. I don't like reading boring books. Synonyms. Can you complete these sentences with another synonyms of boring? Excellent. The meeting was tedious, and I couldn't wait for it to end. His speech was so dull that nobody paid attention. Amazing. The two synonyms are tedious and dull. Word 6. Excited. Excited. Repeat after me. Excited. All right. Meaning, very happy or enthusiastic. Here are some examples that can help you to get it even more. She was excited about her trip to Paris. The kids were excited to open their presents. Synonyms. Can you complete these sentences with another synonyms of excited? Excellent. He was thrilled to meet his favorite singer. She felt overjoyed when she got the job. Amazing. The two synonyms are thrilled and overjoyed. Word 7. Strange. Strange. Repeat after me. Strange. All right. Meaning, unusual and difficult to understand. Here are some examples that can help you to get it even more. This place feels strange. He had a strange dream. Synonyms. Can you complete these sentences with another synonyms of strange? Excellent. This place feels unusual. He had a weird dream. Amazing. The two synonyms are unusual and weird. Word 8. Brave. Brave. Repeat after me. Brave. All right. Meaning, having mental or moral strength to face danger. Here are some examples that can help you to get it even more. Firefighters are brave because they risk their lives to save others. He braved the storm to rescue his dog. Synonyms. Can you complete these sentences with another synonyms of brave? Excellent. She was courageous enough to tell the truth. The fearless soldier protected his team. Amazing. The two synonyms are courageous and fearless.